Now, wetin dey cause autism sef? People wey dey shook eye on top how small pikin brain dey develop for inside their mama belle don come out come talk say e get some things wey fit cause autism for dis small pikin dem. Dem talk dis one for one country wey dem dey call Australia. The first thing wey fit cause autism na wetin oyinbo dey call genetic factor. The genes or that genetic factor na wetin we dey take dey resemble our parents. Dis one mean say that autism dey inside that family and the pikin go come inherit am. Another one na im oyinbo dey call environmental factors. The stomach of the mama, the belle, wey the pikin go dey for 9 months, na im be the environment of the pikin. Anything wey the mama put inside that environment, e go affect that pikin. If the mama drink alcohol the time wey im get that belle, that alcohol go